Welcome back to the InfoFlex. In today's video, we are going to build a simple but effective motion alarm system using the RCWL-0516 microwave motion sensor and an Arduino. So let's get started. The RCWL-0516 is a fantastic sensor for motion detection. It uses microwave radar technology, which means it can detect motion even through thin walls and non-metallic objects. In this project, we will pair it with a buzzer to create a motion alarm system. We will require the following components for this project: RCWL-0516 motion sensor, Arduino board, buzzer module, jumper wires, and breadboard. The RCWL-0516 is a small, inexpensive sensor that uses a microwave radar to detect the presence of moving objects. The sensor works by emitting a beam of microwaves and then detecting the Doppler shift in the reflected waves. The RCWL-0516 has a detection range of up to 7 meters and can detect objects moving at a speed of up to 2 meters per second. It also has a built-in adjustable delay time, which can be used to prevent the sensor from triggering rapidly on the same object. The RCWL-0516 sensor brings out the following connections. 3.3 volt is the output from the onboard 3.3 regulator, not the power supply input. If you need a clean 3.3 volt output to power external logic circuitry, you can use it. It can provide up to 100 mA of current. Ground pin. Out pin is the 3.3 volt TTL logic output. It goes high for 2 seconds when motion is detected and goes low when idle, no motion detected. VIN is the power supply for the sensor. You can connect an input voltage anywhere between 4 to 28 volt, although 5 volt is commonly used. CDS pin are where you can attach a light dependent resistor. Adding this component allows the RCWL-0516 to operate only in the dark. Connect the VIN pin of the RCWL sensor to the Arduino 5 volt. Connect the ground pin of the RCWL sensor to ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the out pin of the RCWL sensor to D2 pin on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the buzzer module to 5 volt on the Arduino. Connect the out pin of the buzzer module to D4 pin on the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the buzzer module to ground pin on the Arduino. Let's test it out. I will move my hand in front of the sensor and you can hear the buzzer is turned on for 3 seconds. As you can see, the sensor even works through non-metallic materials, making it ideal for hidden security system. And there you have it, a simple motion alarm system using the RCWL-0516 and Arduino. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more DIY tech projects. Let me know in the comments what upgrades you would make to this system.